I'm cooking salmon and cod timbale. I read the recipe and I'm like, so many things to measure. And then the words start to move around. This is my first time I'm using an induction cooker. First, I smelled something burning. Boom! I'm just as shocked. I overheated it and it caught fire, but I'm going to... Lucky it's just oil. Nothing else, just oil. The recipe said, just simmer. It's like, okay, simmer to what? Half the volume or what? I look at the fish and I'm like, okay, how can I do this? Where should I cut the fish so that the square mold could fit it? And I just decided, just whack it and cut it to as best the shape I can cut.
Hey Sandrian.
Yes, sir.
How are you? You read the recipe?
Yes, sir.
Everything is in process?
I think so, and I hope so. Actually, I don't cook European dish at all.
Yeah.
So this is my first time trying it.
Follow the recipe to the T's. And I think when you cook the fish, make sure you don't overcook it. This is a very big thing. That is the key thing. You have to get it right.
Fish, no, I only confit it once.
Yeah.
And I know it's very difficult to confit.
Actually, it's not.
It's not.
I think it's easier.
So what is the reason why, if I don't get you, that's why you didn't change for something more easy probably for you?
I like the taste that...
We're gonna see that in a couple of hours.
Yes.
Now we're gonna see that. Okay, Sandrian.
Yes, I like the taste. I go for taste.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you. I'm going to confit the fish. I'm following the recipe to the T. Now the temperature of the fish has hit 45. According to the recipe, 45, take out, drain. Have no idea what it means, just follow. The pressure point is really the sauce. It cuts very easily if you cook it wrongly. I have never ever cooked cream sauce before. I was plating the fishes, then I realized that, oh, my fishes are too fat. I have no time to do a second batch. This is going to be a costly mistake. And I have to choose the fattest sausage and the roundest ball to counter that fatness. As I carry my dishes up to the judges, I'm thinking, if they're going to compare my dish with Jasbir and Priya, mine is so fat.
Sandrian, would you like to pour your sauce over for us, please?
I don't feel really good because I realized that my sauce has started to split.
So what did you find the most challenging with this?
The most challenging, I would say, is still the two fishes. Because the thing is, being a home cook, I'm always like, oh no, you don't want to trim too much because it's all family money, right? So I guess that part of me still comes out. And I very seldom work with cream. I hope you like the sauce.
Okay, we're going to taste now. You know what? That sauce split.
Yeah, the sauce split completely.
Yeah.
The salmon itself, I think the heat of the oil was a bit too high, so the inside is not cooked enough. At the same time, it kind of got burnt outside, so it's overcooked.
The crumble is overcooked. The croquette is overcooked.
This was very disconnected for me.
The plating, portion is not right. So overall, this dish, I'm not enjoying it.
And you know what? Ironically, this was the dish that she didn't want to swap with Priya. Sandrian, your fishes were both overcooked and undercooked. And your sauce was actually quite acidic and it lacked a lot of balance. We couldn't find anything positive on your dish. From the size of your fish in your mold, and on top of that, the main binding element of your dish, and that's the sauce, was split. And that's why Sandrian going home today.